Well, certainly when you've got a sudden stratospheric warming event taking place, quite often the models play catch up with the evolving pattern with the response between stratosphere and troposphere. And I think it is going to be an interesting latter half of winter for both Europe and also for the United States as we go towards the end game, so to speak. We are already, of course, on the 9th of February. And the CFSv2 to me is looking a little bit on the warm side, given the fact that we do have a split in the polar vortex as we speak. But thanks for clicking on to the Friday edition of Vogan's European, or US should I say, Outlook. Like I say, the Sun stratospheric warming event appears to be on the way and happening as I speak. It does look as if a piece of that vortex will drop into North America, and that would suggest that we are going to have a cold second half of February, and the month of March looks cold as well. But like I said, the CFSv2 is indicating slightly milder than what I would imagine as we go into the 8 to 14 day period. Now, yeah, there is a lag, of course, between the actual event taking place where the cold air from the stratosphere comes down towards the Earth and then sinks southwards. You tend to find that there's about a 6 to 10 day period before you actually see the response. So the models at the moment are indicating a warmer than normal lower 48 for the period between the 16th and the 23rd, and even out to the out to the period between the 15th and the 21, so that would take us out between 23 February and 2nd March. And again, to me, that is looking rather warm, given that we're supposed to see a piece of the polar vortex coming south. So there's going to be a bit of a battle here, and I think the modelling is just simply too warm for the lower 48. You can see the cool in the southeast, but pretty much the entire country is warmer than normal. And even as you go out to the period between the 2nd and the 9th of March, again, it's yeah, we're seeing cooler, but we're not seeing colder than normal proper. So I think watch this space, watch the CFSv2 as we go towards the second half of the month. I think we're going to start to see colder and colder runs in response to what we're seeing further up in our atmosphere. So just a few quick Friday morning thoughts. Do check out the written post. There will be more later on today. I know I haven't done a US written post in a couple of days, so I apologise for that. Just commitments at home and at work kind of taken first hand at the moment. So anyway, hope you have a great day, and I'll be back in the next couple of days with more. Bye for now.